So a lot of you guys liked Kirby. What's up, dude? Just kind of staring at it. He's a freshwater parrotfish. What are you doing? It's kind of split between me and the camera. Yeah. What, am I distracting you with the camera? Yeah. He's pretty cool. He knows when he's being recorded. Oh man, I wasn't paying attention to these little guys got me. See if I can get that to happen again. As soon as I pull the camera away, these little guys are coming up and nipping at me. Oh. There they come. Don't people pay money for this? I'm charge people to come put their fingers in the aquarium. Look at them, they're going crazy. That's pretty cool. You wonder what's going on?